Welcome back to another video. I received the following comment, so loading STL files within FreeCAD and measuring them. This was the initial video, and let's take a look at this. So let's say I can go within FreeCAD and I can create either an empty file or I can create a new parametric design. So it doesn't really matter. After that, it's important to go over here. So since we're going to load an STL, we need to be within the mesh environment over here. And we're going to see that we can build onto that STL. But initially, we're going to need to import. So I'm going to go to import mesh over here. And from my desktop, I have over here a car, which will be as following. So I can load that. We're going to see the car being loaded within the viewport. Now, depending on how this was saved and transferred, we're going to see that this will be the mesh information for that. So I can already see that this car is quite small. So this was exported from Blender as an STL. So even though over here, the default cube will have 2 meters, and this will be the car. And as we can see, this will be at the true scale. And we see the dimensions for this will be 2 meters. The car will be as following. Now within FreeCAD, I loaded that. So when we need to create a sketch, we need to be within the correct environment over here. So within FreeCAD, that will be within part design. I can define a new sketch. I can now select that plane, but as you can see, this is really small within the viewport. But I can select, for example, Y and Z in this case. And over here, I can go ahead and I can draw a sketch. But the main problem will be that this will be actually 1,000 times smaller. So as you can see, if I'm going to constrain that, that will be actually 5 millimeters. When in reality, the overall length of the car will be close to maybe 4.5 meters in this case. But this is due to the fact that when the file was loaded and exported from Blender towards FreeCAD, FreeCAD will not see the default, let's say, file size for that. This is the fact that STL doesn't actually integrate that. It will just consider that this will be loaded as it is, as in millimeters. So we can go ahead and we can sketch, we can constrain, but keep in mind that this is the workflow. Now, not sure exactly why this user said that this doesn't work. So I loaded an STL file in FreeCAD, wouldn't let me create a sketch. So I hope that this video will help. Let me know in the comment section if there are some additional problems, because as far as I can see it, this works without any problem. And most likely this is due to the fact that you need to be within the correct workbench over here. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. You're going to find a similar video over here on the left side, and I also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.